Hi guys, IRPINO here with IRPINO Real Estate. You know, we have a number of people reaching out to us, whether it's past clients, current clients, or friends of clients, or even some people that are finding us online and saying, what's different about IRPINO Real Estate and how are you so successful about selling your listings? Well, there's a few different steps we want to share with you to make sure that you incorporate when getting ready to list your home. Number one, it's all about the preparation. It's not about getting it on the market tomorrow and seeing what happens, hoping something happens in your favor. No, it's about a process and a preparation to help ensure the most successful transaction possible for you. So preparation is everything. And part of that preparation is timing and what needs to be done to your home in order for it to show the best. So you want to consult with a broker that knows what they're doing in terms of not just getting your home on the market, but what's necessary to prep your home to make it look as presentable as possible. We consistently finish number one on Zillow in all of our listings. We're usually the most clicked listing on the market, and there's a reason for that. It's the preparation, but then it's also the presentation. Pictures are everything, and when you're taking those pictures, you want to make sure that they're high definition quality. There's actually a different lens and a different camera. And not every photographer has it, not every brokerage employs it. We employ high definition photography with all of our listings. Everything's different nowadays with the internet and technology. So you want to make it sure that you're taking advantage of social media and all the different websites out there, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, anything, Pinterest. You want to take advantage of social media and make sure that your broker is doing that. You know, the social media is important, but also there's about 80 different websites that our brokerage lists too. So is it online on the MLS, but also is your listing on social media and on a multitude of different websites to make sure people know about it. So take care of the preparation, make sure you have the presentation ready with high definition quality photos, taking advantage of all different social media outfits and places to go online, and then make sure your first weekend on the market that your broker is hosting an open house. That is huge. We actually host a 3-hour open house, not a 1.5 or 2 hour, which a lot of other brokers do. So open house is very, very important because a lot of people have busy schedules now and they can't make a specific evening or a day. To have an open house, and especially a 3-hour window for people to come and take a look, even if their agent is available. They don't have their agent there. It's just anybody can come, whether they're with an agent or without. And we sold many of our homes, many of our listings at the open house because that was a great opportunity to come and take a look at it. So that's just a quick synopsis of why IRPINO Real Estate and our brokerage consistently finishes towards the top in the city of Chicago and the Chicagoland area for market time, listing price, and sale price, because it's all about the preparation, the presentation, open house, and definitely making sure you have those high definition quality photos. So we're happy to help. If you have any questions or want to get started, reach out to us to let us know and we'll be there for you. Make sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram, IRPINOrealestate.com. Let us know if you have any questions. We're ready to help you. Take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.